Welcome back to a re-upload. This is a re-upload. You can title it in the you know what I'm about, because as you see in the title it's re-upload. So we just show back on some good movies I've been to, and to some people new to the channel and if they not go way back go watch show over here, so we do some movie over there and we do some movie over here, so we just go now back a recap, you understand, at 2022. So and it's just a rewind. Never some channel do some rewind video, it's just a rewind video, so just stay tuned. Remember, like, share and subscribe. See me. Go over to KIERA'S TV and watch Bad Boy Tugga. It's a new series. We don't know how far it will go or it will reach. So remember, go at KIERA'S Fashion and buy everything over there. And let's hope for the best for this year. I just start, you know.
Alright, we have to wash. Alright, then we want to wash. But I just got to do them.
Oh yeah, we have to clean up for Christmas.
So I say,
Me there roll a CJ there, but show him gonna work and then me say you want to run here. After we gone, if you want to say me, I call look for you.
this is a good idea for you to stay on your brother, you know. Because I call you not really depend on nothing. And go and help you out in the meantime. All I do, they help him do what you have to do around the house and something. Just make everything alright today and right?
Alright, mommy, but you see, show me one round, me say me come round here and come see how they look. So me help you take up your sheet them and whatever. So you can go and wash and me waiting out for you, alright? And then later I go back round.
No problem.
Alright, so which one me take your sheet and the round and
Best one take them out of the machine. Them are wash now. As soon as they finish, we just make a call and you just get them off.
alright, so I go round some in there.
I'll go for something.
Alright.
You can't clean up the place, you dip on phone and you can clean up the place.
I go look for movie and
Today is
just
Sunday, you can't clean up the place. Fold up the clothes and on the bed, you sit down on phone.
Sir, I'm going to look for movie and I just come back and counsel on yourself. That's why I place over time.
It no matter where you go, fool you make sure say place clean today is Sunday.
I'm telling you, say me a big woman, you can't tell me what to do. I mean, alone up there, you can't fold up clothes too.
So if you come from work and come fold up place and clean up house, and you sit down and do that, huh? Something wrong with you? Something wrong with you? Cause no sense of somebody couldn't there, so I expect somebody to go to work, come back and clean up house, cook. For you.
Alright. But we tidy up the place and something one time I don't risk. Can I just walk come from around and mommy and I'm tired. Come on, video and be nice. You know what I'm saying? You know work tomorrow?
Me and your bigger brother, and me I try help you out, and you not see. Me I do everything me can, me make you come live in my house. And all you have to do is clean up, keep the place clean when I go to work. You can't do that. You can't do that, and no hard enough. When me alone there, me do it. But that's true, you're there, you not work. Me say just clean up the place, cook.
Well,
No hard in that, tapping eyes with me at top. Nothing no hard in that for you just fold up your clothes and thing them wash and sweep out in that place.
So think me have
Nothing no hard in that.
You know what? Me go me and me not stay your place. And you must
Go on
think
in here,
that
that's
your
what
place
you
you
do.
can't
If
talk
you're not
to me.
there,
You
me
think
not
me friend
have to open up my
You
mouth.
think my friend if you concrete doors? Me I go back on the yard to my mama. Yeah, you want to loneliness. Not just that you don't want to I am miserable.
If me one day, me not have to open up my mouth, me come, me know so that for them and do it. You think me afraid of loneliness? Me one day, me not have to complain to nobody to you that for sweep out, that for wash. Me do it myself, because me know say me one day. I open here if you go on back, man. I be sitting there and I fold them up and sitting there for days, sit down and for.
What's it? Oh, where you going back? It's sure no run and make a better run here now.
No, me can't bother with run and CJ, because CJ well, like he want to treat me like a pitney and me a big one. After I come up here and sleep, I go wash and sit me. The place never really tidy up around there, but me never really, you know, you remember me alone around them, I say me I come around and come help you. And him come back and see that about if I could tidy up a place and me act like me a pitney or whatever. And I say, but if I go and look up on me, because if me can't help him, me can't stay. And I tell him, say, up here, me did help you wash.
What you send up on so? The place tidy up. Yeah, and him not go to the rest of the day.
Like me, I say, mommy, but you know, say, although I'm not all the way, I'm really tidy up place. But you know, say, me not advise me we do it. So I don't know why I'm going to suffer. But anyways, this is for you. So I don't make you run me from the place, but that's my fault.
Kira, I don't say you stay, you know. You don't really like tidy up place with Kira. You could have just tidy up the place before you come.
Mommy, I'm alone in the road. I'm alone in the dog time, babe. I don't know.
But tell you, say, you need to make him run you. You have to try to move on and do it, help him or something. But I will try to talk to him and see if that will help. And he will make a comeback.
Me can't even go around this side. I can't want to treat me like me a pick me. I don't pick me.
Well, Kira, you have to humble yourself sometime, you know.
I know.
Kira, well, that's why you don't want to stay around your brother. You want to walk up and down. You can't walk up and down, so you know, need to find some constructive thing to do in your life.
Mommy, you think this one time I like pick me, I could tell me what to do? Me a big woman and you a CJ, me realize the problem we do not is, I feel like you can't tell me what to do. Me make my one decision, and not do that for me no more.
I see you, I'm really glad you come. Because I don't know what's going on with Kira.
Boy, I'm tell you the truth. I didn't want to come up here for a while now, contact you about her. I don't know if she tell her what she come back and tell her, say, but she not do nothing down there. She lazy and things she want to do. I walk up and down and me I try to say, stay in the house and find something productive to do. She don't want to go look no work, she don't want to do nothing. That's why I have to put her out. Because I can't do her work of carrying the money and then you sit down just eat out of me at work. So like me, feed and me, water me, everything on me. And the hard for me, I can't even care out myself or treat myself. Everything on me.
I see you, I don't know what to tell us, you know. I don't know what to tell us. That can't rock it too.
Mommy, we can't keep her around. Me not work out. Not work out. I tell you God living truth. Nah. It's either you're going to make she do something productive with her life because you can't live so every day. You understand me? I say, Mommy, and me move out there so I try. You see that? So I try. So I don't know what to her. So I'm good on her still, alright?
Yes, me good. But I just KIERA my problem. If you book her up, try to spend back right.
Alright, so me check the one in time, alright?
Yeah, take care.
Yeah. I need Mommy to talk to you about something.
Bowa.
What do you mean, Bowa? You don't plan to change. You don't plan to do something with your life. I see you want to get up every day and walk up and down. Eh? You just stress out, Mommy, so you can't just change.
Me, I stress out, Mommy. And Mommy want to stress out herself. Wait a minute for someone to walk up. If you don't have nothing to do, what am I do? They walk up and down. Where want me to do? Hitch up the night with Mommy. I cuss every day in a maze and say, me make you run me from under the house. Where you want, by the way? Come have somewhere going.
You need to change your life, man. Get a work, do something. You can't just sit down, so. Man, I'm not even like, I'm not stress out myself over anymore. Just do what you have to do. I'll stop stress out, man. Don't talk.
Alright. Here what? Give me one more chance to come back down here, and I promise you, we tidy up, we wash plate, we wash clothes, anything we want to do, we do it and start waste time and find something to do in life. Because I can't manage Mommy and her misery, so.
Alright, may I give you one more chance. Come up here back tomorrow.
Alright then.
And when you come up there, straight go and go look out, send out some resume and stuff. No time for waste, you change. You hear me, sir? So, me talk to you tomorrow then.
Tomorrow.
KIERA, when you're going with your brother, make sure you find something to do around there. When what is to be done, you help and do it. And you come back around here because I'm not mind you and your junkie man.
Wait, I'll be at my memory. Yes, sir. Alright.
KIERA.
Yeah, take a look then.
Yeah.
Even.
Like when you clean up the place, man, you do a good job. Like when you clean up the place, you learn. I'm glad to say you finally decide to do something in your house. You understand me? Like when I talk to you and you listen. So, what I want to know is I rent out one place, a restaurant, so I have you and my brethren as recommendation for me. So you have to expect one call from the landlord for your place. More you tell her good things about me. You know so me good already, I'm good to you. I take care of you as my little sister already. So yeah, my brethren, him go get called, so just look out phone call on your phone, me give them a number, just tell them good things about me, sis, alright?
Alright then, we can block man, no problem. So when do you expect a call?
Anytime soon or tomorrow morning she can call anytime.
Alright then, so I'll go up on the road and tell you later. Later.
Alright.
Hello? Yes, this is her. Yeah, man, did tell me. Alright. Well, miss, good tomorrow, you know, like my parents and there's something there. But I'm afraid I will tell you nasty. You know, clean. So I know I want to open a restaurant at your place. No, he's not a clean person. So nobody expect him to go and keep his face tidy or whatever. Alright, no problem, you're welcome. Oh yeah, so. Can I get you with the place?
No. I don't know what go wrong. You tell the lady good things about me, though.
Yeah, that's so you're
I'm
not
the virgin
feeling.
tell her good things about me.
So what
So
she
come
say?
in and get it.
What she say?
She has said but some me not reach up to the requirements or something. Some me not get it. I wonder how.
You see that virgin that we have? I remember one time boy virgin I don't like it, you know. And you see now you're going to use him as recommendation. One to mommy, one to auntie Sherry,
Me no know some mommy.
one to auntie Shaniel, one to auntie Nadine, one to auntie Chini. You want somebody you can't use, you go use your virgin because you sit there and get you now. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, always well like say me. Show me a little sister you feel like say me idiot, you know. Right, Theo, where you go there now?
I know me not even know.
Where you don't
Me
know?
just stress out. Everything me try.
Everything you're trying to work. I have a sister that will involve me in everything.
So me
Everything
no
will
put
work.
you in it. Me put you as recommendation.
Yeah, right. Me are going.
I'm gonna be here and go lie down. What you cook?
Me are cooking here to that me I don't know.
I'm gonna cook. I'm hungry. I'm gonna be here.
Boy, I don't know where you have to find a next week.
You still up? You rent money, make care from you.
Don't want to make your face look so. How wrong with you?
You know, say I want a place, me did rent, but me not get it rent. And that did on mind for when they really want the place to rent. And they want to do a nice place there. But it don't work out.
Well, that's how I go now. It's not next time. As long as we get the rent, no problem with that.
Alright.
Get up, man, in life.
Do you want?
How we asking, sir? No, I'm pretty sure your phone can't send me.
Yes, I wait cut man, so. You know, I'm gonna look for money.
No, me. Me don't fear today. I'm just going to be down here today. What am I going to do right now? What am I going to do?
No, so there.
Alright, you tell them.
Alright.
I'm going to be here. Back which door? call up for you about 6 days now. But CJ did that tell me to call up for you and something, so I that I come do. Anyway, I said, I come to tell about your sweet, nice son. We feel like say it's better than me. You think of your worst one? Wait till you hear this.
I want it now.
I want that now? You should know, say your son, you're dear and loving CJ, we feel like a saint. And bear dirty business, CJ, you know. You remember when I'm bringing them we have?
Hey, what about them?
What about them? One of them turn big scammer right now, the biggest scammer of Portland, and him and CJ in a business. And you know what CJ do? CJ go for a restaurant where they food up my restaurant. He use me as recommendation, I use him Bridging. And he look like him Bridging tell the lady something and he not get through with the place. He come back and tell me, say the lady say he not qualified. I'm telling him say I'm Bridging and he not believe, so you need to talk to your son, because you go like say your son a saint and go like a me worse.
Oh, what is this now?
What is this now?
But that no problem. A big problem that. I forgot really call him right now and find out what really are going on with him.
And that's what you need to do. Maybe in my mirror we are going back around the house for clean before he come back home and say I had nothing. Well, let's go and talk to him because you feel like my saint and me I was speaking. Let's talk.
Alright. Alright, but there's something to talk to you about. Not kind of catch side of you. I hear say you're not some company where do scamming and doing something.
Me?
No, and the best for you, know. I mean, look on you different as my son, you know. I mean, I expect of it in the company there, you know. You have to be a leader and not a follower. And you know when time there's something, when you come on to there's something, there's a problem.
Be clear yourself.
I no farmer scamming. My business is legit. I no farmer scamming. I no Bridging I do scamming. So I know where you hear that from. Who can tell you that?
As I hear it there on the place big. And oh, you not get the restaurant for rent. What really go down?
I don't know why you talk about money. The only thing I know where I say get right. The person I recommend for the restaurant. When I'm Bridging, like he go say something wrong, I'm gonna get to go through to get the restaurant to rent. That's all. I'm not involved in nobody where I do scamming and anything like. So I don't know where I hear that from. I'm not involved in no farmer scamming. You know that you're supposed to know, say your son is not involved in no scamming. None of them sitting there wrong road that me go down. And you know that road they lead to already. You tell me much time, say don't go that road there. So I not go that road there. So why more than go behind the back and go? You know me?
CJ, just make sure you're on the right track. Because we can't get no problem right now. A whole heap of things are happening out there. Just keep yourself from out of problem.
You look on the right path, you know that I am. You don't make nobody tell you no foolish about me again. You know say me now go just bring the wrong things. You know that one. You alright?
Yes, alright.
May I go down for you this, yeah?
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Good evening, Miss Shani. You can come inside.
Yeah man, come in, Kira.
I have something to tell you about. You can't call back my name to my brother. He's my brother, and it got so bad for me to say this about him, but he can cause you to lose your property, and he will allow everybody where they find the apartment to evacuate. So may I tell you, my brother have illegal things in his property. In his house, they wash by with the little room over there. He have drugs in there and he have weed. I move for one of my friends. So me talk to him about it and now listen to me. So me tell you now you can run him off your property and hopefully he will tap or something. I don't know.
I talk to him, man. I talk to him. Let me see him, I talk to him.
Alright, later. He might soon come to, so we see him, so you try to find him up for us.
Alright.
Alright, Miss Philip, have a good night.
You too, Kiera. TJ, I want to talk to you. Me say I have some illegal stuff I deal with, you know. And I think I want in my place. I think I ask if you come out tomorrow because I don't want police will come and seize my property.
But who tell you that I have no illegal stuff I deal with? You know some business legit, I have no illegal stuff I deal with. Nothing in the house down there. So I don't know which part of here say I have illegal stuff I deal with.
Don't worry about which part me hear. Just make sure say tomorrow morning you have to come out of my house.
Oh,
Yo. No, that's why I have to move watching. You know, no one thief in the place.
what?
Yeah, landlord say she don't want to scam her drugs money in her house. Like she hears say me I sell drugs.
So she said if you come out,
Yes.
we are parents or we are bigger.
But fair place.
So we have to left.
Yes.
So we have to back up on
You
me?
have to pack up yes. You have to back up on me.
You see, I have a virgin there. I have one virgin set you up.
The virgin now do that.
Get up and pack up the set them. Now you see how you want to learn that place, so I can pack up on you. I want this to pack up the kitchen.
I must have friend got actually have drugs in the house. Tell about friend.
No, I have no friend friend go tell landlord say me have drugs in the house. Only one virgin me have and once me ever beg him to do. I read the recommendation for the restaurant. I may even hold no conversation to that to say we are friends. You can go tell landlord about drugs in the house. And must somebody else do it. But no, me are there in the house and see what we're going.
But TJ, who else could I go tell landlord that? Are your friend let you down? Tell about where you come in your house. Remember say, the word say, you dare not trust your own.
I don't want to talk about that right now. I go up on the road to see if I can find some muscle. So if I do right now, because I can't just sit down so right now because I need money. Because I want things, so I have to go work for it. And last time I said, Mommy, so later I come, I talk.
Your favorite son we love so much disappointed. You have a jar? You don't have a jar yet.
There's something there I met you about my good CG. My good CG when I know some can trust. Then can stay there and that's what them say. Then the accusation there are false. The blood of Jesus against all of them. If them think that my CG will go astray and be like them.
I really hope the blood of Jesus couldn't work for CJ for true. And if you really think so, when your friend them fight him done, you think wrong. He might fight done himself, because he go get himself mixed up in all kind of food. See, he make you man run away from the apartment because the woman say you have drugs in there and she can't manage police business. The police go seize her place. And look there, he going to end up losing work. How I don't know. Now, you see, it's why we have to come back here. I always think I'm the worst one. I'm going to look something for you. I'm not one more Christmas.
Mommy, we just growing on my virgin yard and the people inside are there 2 weeks now. So I couldn't him tell no landlord about me have sitting in a house. The movie put me out.
You really a swear for your virgin? Remember say, bush have ears. And remember say, phone there. And you have to be present. Anything can happen. And I have sense.
Mommy, I know my virgin call no landlord. I'm going to find out how. I must find out how. I tell you the truth. I must find out how.
Alright.
Mommy, I go deal with 99 town.
Wow.
I have one business idea. I want to sell some phone case and something. I don't know the price of them, so I go in the town and walk and look how much I price everything when I go sell. Online business more look.
Oh, well, that not sound like a bad idea. I know say me on social media already. So you can make me create a business page for you. What you want it to name?
No, really not come up with a name yet, but it would have good for you to do that for me, but I just want to check out this and them know in the town and see what kind of price I work with. So you come?
So come on.
Not really take long to say, but I just want to come.
But tell me what I'm going to
Mommy, I find one good idea.
What?
Tell you about it.
How about that now?
I go start one small business. I KIERA'S going to town go look when I got some phone case, some earpod case, some phone accessories I go sell, charge, all kind of stuff I go sell. So I go in the town, I check out the price, them much everything, and I hope I can save up enough money. If you can help me because I really need to start back some money. So if you can help me, let me know. But I save up some money to start to buy something.
This man, good idea, sound good. Then you say you always not give up. You always a try. I'm going to call the uncle a foreign.
Yeah.
You can send one small. I'll help you. Alright?
Alright, Mommy, thanks, yeah?
Always welcome.
Alright. Me hear say you a man bully. Big fat clump, you a walk with it. Come over, come talk to me. Here say you got this something what you want give me. Me buck her by the stoplight. She tell me say me too bright. But by the next night, this girl knock me door, say she come for your cockfight.
Girl, look how you flow. I love you, hold me tight, baby. Say now we dreaming, say now we hear me, and I love the way you go. Look how you grind me, girl, and look how you flow. I love you, hold me tight, baby. Say now we dreaming.
What's your name? I like it.
You're good? Yeah, man.
But there's a bun this one I can put in the kitchen and make mommy things here. CJ a bunny. See no man, that me go do now, that me go do.
CJ?
Yeah?
TJ, me I clean up the place a while ago. I miss a cigarette and lighter in the kitchen shelf. All them stuff they come about.
Mommy, I'm alone in the house. You know, go ask Kira if she carry a cigarette in her.
TJ, as bad as Kira is, I can't surface Kira. So, you have to tell me about it.
Mommy, I don't know nothing about a cigarette. That's about a cigarette. Go ask Kira.
Alright. If I know you, and I know Kira, I must stop it then. I don't know what to say again.
What do you want me to take them to see me and make it? You see how you make mommy come and blame me about me left cigarette on the cupboard counter. And I know say you. I couldn't tell mommy say you smoke cigarette. I'm going to tell her because she don't know say I smoke cigarette. But take up a scene when you're bonus and I left them in the house, man. Come on, people are blame me.
I mistake, I forgot today. Sorry about that. You never busy. I don't care if you tell me say I'm a smoke. You tell me already I'm a big woman can. But sorry about that. Still, I forgot today. You know, I never know.
Bonus, them man, take them up.
What's the man?
Time your bonus and never left up with them in my place. Good night, Miss Philip.
Night, for sure.
We can come in?
Yeah, man, CJ can come in.
I'm sorry if you come to you so late, but me come to you to ask you, who did tell you say me they have drugs and a deal with illegal stuff down my house?
CJ, your sister, you know, and she said me never did say nothing to you. She said me never did say nothing to you. Akira.
My sister? Lord God. Me not believe that. My sister not do me that. My sister when me help so. My sister not do me that. Me not believe that.
They said never did trust your one, and your family are the one them who hurt you.
Oh boy. I mean, look how much things we do for her. Me Carol come down and say me I help her out. Alright, thanks, tell me here. That's it. Yeah, me have run $1,000 and me cash up account right now. Tomorrow I go dry up before they hack it. Because I don't think they have stand for you long. So I go dry up tomorrow.
Oh, that's a good thing, man. I'm glad for you. That's what the man said to me, like, one good. You must say, I forgive me for my piece, you know.
Yo, alright,
Alright, lock your door. Hello? Yo, me, Kira. Yeah. No, say more if you go in my brother cash up. I get a username and the password. You have $1,000 time, you know, but drop tomorrow. So more you have to take off now before you go in my place tomorrow. Yeah, man. Username. CJ is the name. Password. August 19, 1991. Yeah, man, alright.
I can't believe that my own sister has set me up for my life go wrong. Everything that happened in my life was going bad, and my sister, everything she had do wrong. She even tell the landlord, I find out that she tell the landlord say, me have something in the house, I have to put me out tonight. Everything is she. That ain't even half of it yet. You see the other day, I trick her and tell her, I say, me I get some money through Cash App. And she think me gone, but me lucky, act like me lucky do, and me a peep through and me a listen. She a tell somebody, she a tell me password, me email, everything. You take out the money when the money reach my account. Everything. You can't even believe that you always tell me say my own. You can't trust my own. And me never believe. Me never suspect her say she would have do such things. After me trust her and me do so much things here, she can't do this stuff. Betray me. All the restaurant, for me if you have 2 recommendations for the restaurant, me use my brethren and my sister. Me never run back to tell her. So me dey use my sister too. And she tell the lady something bad, me not get rent out the place. She, everything and she. I can't believe that she really can't do me this.
Why she Jim? My ear nigga people say 7 brother or 7 sister, 7 different men. They don't know what kind of Kiera that. Because somebody could have never look for them one family, some blood family, 2 of them come from the same home. Maybe something was wrong with Kiera. I don't believe she right it.
She must not write it true, mommy, because me are one flesh and blood and she cannot do me that. Just imagine what she would do people out the road. Just imagine, me are flesh and blood, me help her in every way. Me motivate her, everything me do. She just now work, she just want to fight me down.
You see there? I'm going to go up assess this.
Why you look so warm?
All of my money from out of my Cash App gone.
What you said to me? What you mean gone? You what I told you US?
Everything gone, me not have no money.
John wants so what you do?
Fido. Me can't do nothing.
So how comes that get for you?
Kiera, stop going like you don't know what happened to my money. You, me sit down right, yes sir. I call people about it, I tell people my password and everything to take out my money.
Me?
You!
Me don't know what you talk about.
And you better get back my money come give me. I mean, it's no joke. No more to sit here though. I'm just a find out and me can't believe say you. Everything, the restaurant, everything where happen. I can't believe say you really do this. I see you with my own eye. I never believe in it. I see you with my own 2 eye them. Me not blind. Sit down right as I give people my password and everything. Like you think say me not no sense. Get back money come give me. You don't talk.
What you mean me if you get back money? Where me if you get back money if you give from? Me no know where I talk about. Me not give nobody no username and no email. I must something say me did I talk about. Me don't know where I talk about. Me give lady call and me give her good recommendation.
Listen. Go take out your sitting out there.
You think so me like that? Me not afraid to tell you. I be tell you woman say you not good.
Take out your sitting and come out and get money. You see like me not a joke. They own a family and you come, yo. If you lucky, say I'm my sister, man.
Yeah, boy, good. You know, come out to nothing in your life. And the thing why you do me, I will stop you.
You better make sure say everything that
And
you
the
have.
thing why you do me, I will stop you. Wait.
always sorry for your sister. Never hear that say sorry for my God dog in turn 1 by 2. The whole sister could have never do you so.
Mommy, right now, I worry which part she go stay. Corona out and now she go to that junkie man that he could be go beat her up right now. So, I don't even know right now, me head no straight. So, I just think.
So, where you want to do? Put her out back in the house. And the next thing, she can even cost your life. Really?
I truly attack. Because she couldn't do anything, send money if he can't dash me away. But, you understand, so come go.